Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update pre-foreclosure sourcing with RealtyTrac, complete guide step by step clearly. To update pre-foreclosure sourcing with RealtyTrac, begin by navigating to the RealtyTrac website. Log in to your RealtyTrac account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Property Search section. Select the pre-foreclosure filter to narrow down your search. You may choose to enter specific criteria such as location, price range, or property type. Click the search button to retrieve the list of pre-foreclosure properties. Review the displayed properties to identify suitable candidates. For each property, click on the listing to access detailed information. Take note of important details such as the owner's name, property address, and auction date. If needed, adjust your filters to refine your search further. Next, you can select multiple properties to export the data. Look for the export option, usually represented by a download icon. Choose the format in which you want the data, such as CSV or Excel. Download the report to your computer for analysis. Once downloaded, open the file and review the information for accuracy. You can re-import this data into your CRM or tracking software. Make any necessary updates in your system for the pre-foreclosures. Periodically repeat this process to stay updated on new listings. Regular updates will enhance your sourcing strategy and help you stay competitive. Consider setting a reminder to check for updates weekly or monthly. Engaging with the data consistently will maximize your opportunities in pre-foreclosures. Utilize all available resources on RealtyTrac for additional insights. This will ensure you are well equipped to pursue viable leads efficiently. Continue to monitor changes in property statuses to adapt your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.